Experience cinema-quality visuals and immersive sound right in your living room with the Hisense PX3 Pro, an ultra-short throw 4K laser projector designed to transform your home entertainment. Utilizing a cutting-edge trichroma RGB triple laser light engine and advanced LPU technology, the PX3 Pro delivers vibrant, true-to-life colors covering over 110% of the BT.2020 color gamut. Its 3000 ANSI lumens brightness and 3000:1 native contrast ratio ensure stunning clarity and deep blacks, even in rooms with ambient light. Beyond breathtaking visuals, the PX3 Pro supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos for an all-encompassing audiovisual experience. Equipped with powerful 50-watt Harman Kardon speakers, it fills your space with rich, cinematic sound without the need for external audio systems. Gamers will appreciate its low input lag and HDMI 2.1 ports that enable smooth gameplay at up to 240 Hz in 1080p and 120 Hz at 4K resolution. The projector's ultra-short throw design projects a massive 80 to 150-inch screen from just inches away, making it perfect for small rooms or apartments. With Google TV integration, Wi-Fi 6E, and versatile connectivity options, the Hisense PX3 Pro is a premium all-in-one solution for anyone seeking a next-level home theater and gaming experience.